then the other two just kind of, you can go the other direction, huh?
Yeah.
That really make it sturdy. You know what? Can you push the middle one up? Oh wait, we're not gonna do that. Or maybe you could push both the two side ones up higher.
Hmm.
Push these ones up higher. Maybe and take off those marshmallows, and so they're halfway up.
Well, I was using them to like hold them if they go to each side.
Well, now you're stronger, and then you can run one from here to here, and you won't need those, right?
Yeah.
And then you'll have two coming up here, and then you can make that even higher. Yeah, there you go. Nice. There you go. Now do it to the other one too. One over the other. Oh, careful, don't break it. Yeah. Spaghetti marshmallows. She sent you a whole pack of marshmallows?
No, I bought them.
Oh, yeah, buy them. Oh, nice. Look at that. I wonder if you staggered it. Now put
Marshmallows on these ones.
Oh, too bad it wasn't originally on this one, huh? That would have been perfect.
I can do that.
Redo it? Oh, maybe just two.
I'll do that.
No, you just have to do this one first. I bet you this would. Oh, yeah. Good one. Nice. Okay. Yeah. And then you can stick the other two in that one. Ooh. I'm shocked how strong spaghetti is.
It's angel hair too.
It's angel hair too?
Yeah.
Didn't she have any requirements?
No.
No. Got it. Okay. So this one here too.
What if I put one like right here?
Yeah.
And then put one coming off of that?
One or two, huh? This one needs to be balanced. This I don't know if you need that one through the middle there.
Yeah, I don't.
Let's see how the foundation is now. It's a good foundation.
There's so many coming.
Just keeps it from see, now you can actually do one here to here too.
Yeah.
And that would really solidify that base. So you can go high. So nope, the other way.
Oh,
Yeah. Because you want, there you go. So you want to get your base as strong as possible. Because once you start building up, it's going to start bending and things.
Oh, that's too short.
Yeah. Is there a longer one over there? Oh, this is a good one right here. Okay. MESA project, huh? The Marshmallow Spaghetti project.
Yeah, this one's too long.
So your original try within what? How long did you have a chance to do it?
30 minutes.
30 minutes was 21 inches. Okay, careful of that spaghetti. It's bending pretty hard. Maybe push it up higher on this. This one needs to go higher into the marshmallow, maybe. There you go. So your original one was 21 inches. It is the tallest in the class. After 30-minute competition for MESA. What? At Sutter Middle School. Oh no! I don't like that sound, huh? That is not a good sound, huh?
No, under one.
Oh no! Oh, just glue it together with another marshmallow.
Oh no, it's breaking.
So I think you added a good 5 inches though, huh?
Yeah.
You might even add another one here because now there's a stronger base to this one. What? There goes the Leaning Tower of Spaghettio.
There we go. No, I don't think we need one in the middle. I think it's just gonna snap it.
Yeah.
Let's try to put one taller one up here now.
Yeah.
See what it does.
I should have brought my measuring tape in, huh?
I have a ruler.
You don't. Yeah. Ooh.
I could put one here, but that might be too heavy.
Or Yeah. Whoa. Okay. All right. You measure more. Okay. So you have what? Okay.
Okay, so that's
Okay.
1 foot,
1 foot.
2 feet.
2 feet.
Just about 2 feet.
So almost 24 inches.
24 inches. Added 3.
3. All right. So the parameters though were how many marshmallows?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, no. 8. 8 marshmallows.
Okay.
And
What was the max you could use?
the max marshmallows
Mhm.
was 15.
15. And how many
Spaghetti.
spaghettis?
I think that is 11, which is 1 over.
Okay. All right. Nice
11 and a
design,
half,
kid.
I think.
Nice design. All right. 2 long way videos